In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image in Photopea, and I'll cover both ways because there are actually two different things people usually mean when they say resize. You can resize the entire image file, which changes the overall dimensions of the project, or you can resize just one layer inside the document if you only want to scale a single object. This is one of those simple Photopea skills that can save you a lot of time, whether you're making thumbnails, social media graphics, or editing photos for a project. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about resizing the entire image. This is the method you want when you need to change the resolution, the dimensions, or even the file size of the whole project. To do that, go to the top menu bar in Photopea and click Image, then choose Image Size. As soon as you do that, a Properties window will appear showing you the current width and height of your image. This is where you can make the change. Now, look at the width and height fields. You can enter new values using whatever unit works best for your project, like pixels, percent, inches, or other units depending on what you need. If you're preparing an image for the web, pixels are usually the most common option. If you're printing something, inches or another physical measurement may be more useful. The important thing here is to know exactly what size you want before you type anything in. One very important setting to pay attention to is the chain link icon. Make sure that is checked if you want to keep the original aspect ratio. That means the image will stay proportional and won't get stretched or distorted. If you turn that off and change only one dimension, your image can end up looking squeezed or stretched, which is usually not what you want. So in most cases, keep that link enabled. Once you've then entered your new size and double-checked everything, click OK to apply the changes. Photopea will resize the full image immediately, and your document will update to the new dimensions. That's the fastest way to change the overall size of the entire file. Now let's move on to the second method, which is resizing a single layer. This is the one to use if you have multiple layers in your project and you only want to scale one specific object up or down without affecting the rest of the design. For example, maybe you inserted a logo, a product image, or a photo element, and you only want to make that one piece smaller or larger. To do this, first click the layer you want to resize in the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Selecting the correct layer is important because whatever layer is active is the one Photopea will transform. If you're not sure, take a moment to click the right layer so you don't accidentally resize the wrong element. Next, activate the transform controls. On Windows, use Ctrl, Alt, and T. On Mac, use CMD, Opt, and T. If you prefer using menus, you can also go up to Edit and choose Free Transform. Either way, once the transform tool is active, you'll see a bounding box with small square handles around the selected layer. Now, you can click and drag any of the corner handles to resize the layer. This lets you scale the object up or down visually until it fits your project the way you want. If you need the object to stay proportional, Photopea will usually constrain the proportions automatically while dragging. But if you want to intentionally stretch or squash the image, hold the Shift key while dragging a corner. That gives you more control over the shape when you need a custom look. When the layer looks right, press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the new size. You can also click the check mark in the top options bar if you prefer using the interface. Once you confirm, the transformation is applied and the layer stays at its new size inside the document. So just to quickly recap, if you want to resize the entire file, use Image and then Image Size. If you only want to resize one specific object or layer, use Free Transform. Knowing the difference between those two methods is the key to working faster and avoiding mistakes in Photopea. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want to see more Photopea editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.